Else, come back. Let me know. You ready for the handoff?
Oh,
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Thank you. Yeah. Because we're going to Howlin Ray's, dude. Like, people need to know. We're going to Howlin Ray's. Gonna get some chicken sandwiches. Best chicken sandwich in the world, right? Yeah. Best chicken sandwich in the world. And there's some good ones out here. But the traffic is moving. There's no traffic on the way back yet. Oh man. Already. Haven't even gotten there yet. I wonder what the wait's like there. Maybe there's a way to look it up on Twitter or something.
Instagram, they have updates.
Howlin Ray's line. There's a 5-hour holiday line for Howlin Ray's right now. December 27th.
5 hours?
Yeah, that was like a few days after we went. Maybe it says on their Twitter something. Line update. An hour ago. Approximately 1.5 to 2 hours and moving swiftly. Whoa.
Damn. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Change your lens too?
Yeah. Damn, look at that. 3 hours. A little over 3 hours. Yeah.
I'm about to do it again.
But it was like 2 days before Christmas. That's why. I got a free t-shirt that time. But I spent 90 something bucks. Seafood? I think that's it right there. Yeah.
This right here?
That's it.
It's saying the other way, isn't it? Oh, you can go both ways.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm the wrong way.
Oh, there's a thing on the other side? Oh, shoot.
Fuck.
This is the exit.
Come on, motherfucker.
What does it say?
Get that thing off my face.
Alright, here we are. Howlin Ray's. Starving. That's the one thing, you gotta bring a snack when you come here. Actually, there's a lot of places where you can get food while you're waiting in line. Oh my gosh. It looks like some production work going on right here. This place right here, Chego, is pretty bomb. It's like prime rib and rice. Yeah, 3 times. That ice cream shop is in a convenient spot because if you do get a really spicy like sandwich, you might need some ice cream because you know the enzymes in the ice cream will spicy, you know, it's very scientific. a good spot to get a coffee. I think they have cortadas here. It's bomb. What? The guy that owns this coffee shop asked me, quote, "Could you not film in here?" So, of course I apologized because I respect boundaries. After I got my coffee, I asked him why he doesn't want anybody shooting in there, and he said for privacy because not everybody wants to be on video. I told him, just so you know, I didn't record anyone, and he looked at me so pissed off. Later I thought, there are cameras everywhere, we are all on video here. Hot the first time I came here, and I feel like it was a mistake.
13, 14 is 3 years old, isn't it? Sauce? Yeah. Give it right now. And then how are you?
Okay, water.
You have water? Got you. I'll get water for you. Can you
I can get it. Where is it?
Got water right there.
Oh, okay.
And are you 99 as well?
No.
So I'm 1. You're number 1. And do you want everything for here? Yeah. Yes. Yeah,
All I got is a Sandoz.
99 right here.
Damn. Did you order the fries?
No.
A little secret, if you eat in here, like, and you don't order fries, they'll give them to you for free. So
For you and for you. Do you need anything else?
it's an extra hot sandwich that guy just got. That's why he's wearing the blue gloves. He took forever to take a second bite. Pay attention, you'll notice he keeps reaching for that drink. Honestly, you gotta be crazy to get extra hot.
Medium standard right here. I got a couple sauces on the house for you. Awesome. If you need anything else, come back and let me know. You ready for the handoff? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judgment time now. Keep the fire burning on them. Fire burning. Keep the fire burning on them. Fire burning. Keep the fire burning on them. Fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Fire burning. Fire burning. Fire burning. Emperor still lost.
Hello. Thank you.
Did you hear what he said? He said that if you're 1 minute after 2 hours, it costs you $5. Put it on the ground.
Oh.
Well, that's crazy. There's like steam coming out of the dragon.
Oh, that was good.
There's still a line over there? There is. There's still a line over there. You know, before they built freeways, Figueroa used to go through these tunnels. I think they call this the Arroyo Seca tunnels.
Probably start thinking about filming some other shit. Who wants to watch fucking traffic?
Alright, bonus points.
Fucking phone. You and your film, I can't see the side. I want to switch lanes.
Oh, sorry.
Fire burning, keep the fire burning and them fire burning.
I think it's so cool. Just mount a GoPro right there. I wonder if GoPro like gave those to Toyota for free. This is not drizzle, this is rain. In LA we call this rain. I think like the paparazzis, like man, like these guys are such assholes. And now I think like, well hey, like I get to use a camera and I get to make money. I'll take it.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to spend some money on a nice camera.
Sounds like fun though.
It's not cheap.
Oh, but I want to buy, that's the thing, I want to buy a nice camera already, so if I can make it a business expense, then even better.
Yeah, good.
Alright guys, you know what these things are? Those are track maps. That's what you call it, right? It's a track map of different racetracks. That's the Burbank B.